back. We're dressed up. It's our night at Remy and we're on our way there.
China's Disney Cruise Vacation. Yes!
Look, we're dressed up. It's our night at Remy and we're on our way there. Look at him all fancy.
I think my face is peeling. Oh man, scared about my comfy shoes. Now.
We can take the elevator.
Yeah, now is elevator time.
You want to take the elevator?
Well, what are we? Is it the next floor up now?
2 more. Guys, we got a monkey.
Sure.
Got a monkey. And then tomorrow's navigator. But the chocolate's on the monkey. Tomorrow is day at sea. Well, I'm trying to sober up. Watching Big Hero 6. Got some coffee and water.
Let me hear you shout, aye! Aye, me too. If you didn't meet me before, where were ya? We were waiting for ya. And you should have heard what we were saying about you too. Not pretty. Anywho, pirate folk call me Jolly Roger. But I insist you call me J.R. Now that we've been properly introduced, tell me, who's ready to party like a pirate? That be the spirit. Well, allow me to say, great Blackbeard's name. I just noticed where we be sailing. 10 men, 10 no takers. For the pirates, what you get from us? And his name, Jack Sparrow. Yes, where is he? I'm sorry, who are we looking for? Jack Sparrow! There should be a captain in there somewhere. They're hardly of hand, midshipman. Oh, shall I send you to Davy Jones? Ah, so they are your shipmates. If you don't see that, because I'm not doing it again. Here, to the adventurous blood of a pirate! A pirate's blood for me! tonight. Prepare yourself, me hearties, for I now welcome one and all to the hottest dance club in all the 7 seas. Love Island.
So,
I can go play Clash of Clans on my week.
if you guys remember me mentioning in previous vlogs, you can do your laundry here. You basically could pack light. They have a laundry room here with an iron, but basically you don't need much to pack for your cruise. You could keep it super simple and just use the laundry room. So because Nick packs so light, now he's out of clothes. So we're gonna go to the laundry. Get some
I did my
done.
boxers front ways, back ways, inside out front ways, and inside out back ways. And now we have to do the laundry.
Ew. If you need soap, use this, press the button, and this pops out. All right, laundry's done, so I'm gonna call it a night. Good night, guys. I'm gonna say good night.
Night.
Bye. Okay, so I epically failed at vlogging because this guy totally distracted me and made a dinosaur.